clear your plate, everything in front of you.
Thank you.
Turn that music on.
See what this thing tastes like. Oh my God. The mayo is popping. Oh my goodness. Shan. I can honestly eat 3 of these.
What?
I can honestly eat like 3 of these.
What?
Oh my God. I mean, I'm not even missing the bacon. Like the tempeh tastes good too. It got a nice flavor. What's it, smoke? Okay.
Who's that? Try
Okay.
it, Kayla. She's like fake bacon.
That's popping, right?
Mayonnaise with bog.
I'm shocked because I just ate tomato.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Well, that's really. That's extremely good. That's what?
Extremely good.
Okay, so most of my workout today was, as you can see, I'm sweaty. I didn't record most of it because the music. So, man, listen, coming to the gym to work out, I'm more focused on my workout than recording. So yeah, I'm kind of bundled up in here. I'm breathing right now. Normally I had this on my face most of the time. So look at Dre.
Baby.
Get up now. Now it's time to go that way to get some smoothies. Okay, so tell me why we're a tropical smoothie. You just messed my whole lighting up. We're a tropical smoothie, and we come here all the time. So we come to the one on the other side of town, and they changing the rules on how you get your smoothies and everything else. What's that about? All I know is my smoothie better be made right, because y'all know how I cut up about my smoothie.
And that's why I don't like going nowhere with it.
Oh, trust and believe. Surveys? You talking about surveys? Trust and believe. I'll be doing a survey. And I'll be letting them know. Listen, Wesley was good, okay? Wesley was good.
She didn't know the policy, and the policy didn't know her.
What? Say that one more time.
She ain't know the policy, and the policy didn't know her. Please, I don't like going to the store. Get my damn drink on them. Taste this thing. Oh, hell no, they make wrong.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees. catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating. Yeah, but it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like? Yeah, I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we're asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss you. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss you. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two.
Okay, so now I just did upper body and back. I'm about to go and do abs and floor work with a Dre. Be stalking him in the gym. Look at that. He don't even be knowing. You working out?
I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we're asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Wait a minute, don't you leave me.
Come on.